You know how nothing is quite as exciting as opening your front door and finding an unexpected bounty. So I didn't expect this to arrive from Melissa's quite so soon, and I am thrilled. Look what I found. I have a special package from Melissa's Produce that I am going to share with a loved one, but I'm going to open it up first. Let's see what they sent me. It's a barbecue package. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this beauty.
And we open the package and we've got mushrooms.
Oh my goodness.
Lots of mushrooms and onions and other stuff.
That Melissa's, being as thorough as they are, they have given me some recipes for barbecuing, a full list of everything that's here and how to prepare for grilling. I can't wait to do this. I've been really delighted with their different kinds of baskets, all full of quality, fresh, and very unique ingredients.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh my goodness.
This looks fabulous.
And there's more about how I've used Melissa's Produce in cocktails and other recipes on my blog, tripwellgal.com. Thanks for watching.